Hi, this is Little Miss Vape at littlemissvape.wordpress.com, and today I'm going to be doing another review for LickWid's.co.uk, and I'm going to be reviewing their Forest Berry Blast flavour. So we can see tactile label, warning labels, shake well before use, and again we have our batch numbers. It's batch 008 and it was bottled in July. So, as I've said before, a good thing to do is to steep them. You don't need to do it for too long, maybe 2 weeks. It depends on where you put them. It's best to put them in a warm place so they have time to let all of the flavours get warm and then they mix better. Best way of doing it is pop your top, give it a little squidge so you get some air going in. Pop your top back on, don't screw it back on, just leave it back on. And shake it, say once a day. Shook, there we go. And as you'll see, your liquid sort of flows together properly because it's got little air bubbles in as well. Those air bubbles will burst and it will help the flavours move around. But that's good. Now this is their Forest Berry Blast, and I'm not sure what I'm expecting because I don't know what you call forest berries. Is it like blackberries? Is it blueberries? So it's a mix of berries and could be quite nice, could be a disaster. You never know. But let's give it a go. Lovely vape production going on there. Nice big plumes. Love that. Now, I don't know what to call this flavour because it does have a mix of berries in it. But you can't really sort of give one berry its own prominence. It's sort of like they've taken strawberries or wild strawberries and blackberries or raspberries or any form of berries you'd find in the forest and mix them together. And it's a rather unique flavour because it is that mix, but because no berry sort of comes to the fore, you don't have like one overpowering berry flavour. It's a very nice blended mix because you get hints of each, but you can't say which berry's which. But it's really nice because it's not too sweet, but it's not sour, and it's not the longest lasting flavour, but it is nice when you vape it. And for some flavours that's good because sometimes they can be too overpowering or they can linger too long. But this one's good because it's in the middle. Again, SVD with my lovely X-Jet Spider. As per usual, I do wash and rinse all of my tanks out before I try another liquid so I don't get cross-contamination of flavours. Let's have a look. We are probably running on 3.5 volts as per normal. Now, as it is with mixtures that have got different berries mixed together, every time you vape, you get a slightly different flavour. You don't get one going over the other, but you get hints of others coming in. I mean, at the moment, I've got hints of, say, strawberries and raspberries. And before, I think it was blackberry, but I can't be certain. But this is really nice because it is faceted, it's layered, it's a multi-layered flavour. You'll always get different flavours. You'll always get a different vape. No vape will be the same. And that's really good because it means you never know what to expect. And it is slightly mouth-watering as well. But that just might be because I'm talking too much. But there we go. This is a really good, it's a nice flavour because it's not too strong, it's not too weak. It doesn't overpower each other and every single vape is different. But again, this is just my opinion. And this is Little Miss Vape for littlemissvape.wordpress.com and LickWid.co.uk. As per usual, the link will be in the description if you'd like to buy liquid. Saying goodbye and happy vaping.